series, be it competitive or school exams. Don't panic because Absorbing Mind is going to make you confident to face any of these. Welcome to Absorbing Mind. Let us start. Spot the error. In this, we will divide a sentence into parts and we have to spot or identify the part which is having an error, and we will replace it by the options given. You can see that there is an option of no error. That means the sentence given is correct. So let us read. He is owning a car. Now this is a present continuous sentence. That means the person is owner of the car for that moment, not previously, not later. So but once a person buys a car, he is the owner till he sells it. That means it should be replaced by a simple present option. He owns a car. Second part is incorrect. It is having an error. He owns a car is the correct sentence. Next is she stands in the shade of the tree. And the options are is standing, stan. Stan is no word. Just to confuse you, the examiner might give it. Stand, no error again. Stands is telling that it is simple present. That means it is her usual habit. It is a universal truth and she does it regularly. But no, she is doing it only for that moment. So present continuous. Is standing is the correct option. She is standing in the shade of the tree. You can even pause the video and try it for yourself and then later on continue with the video to check your answers. The next is the rose is smelling sweet, but it is a universal truth that it smells sweet. So again the second part is incorrect. The options are was smell, smell, smells, no error. Smells is telling that simple present, a usual habit or a universal truth which is it is used for. So the rose smells sweet. Next question, are you forgetting my name? That means I should be knowing your name previously. The action has already taken place. That means present perfect is the correct application for this interrogative sentence. Have you forgotten, forget, forgotten, and no error. Have you forgotten is present perfect. Have you forgotten my name is the correct sentence. Next, I am not meaning this. Even while reading it, we can make out that the second part is incorrect. Do not mean, I do not mean this is the correct statement. The next is, we has been studying in this class for 3 years. We is a plural subject. So has is incorrect. There is an error in the second part. Let us look at the options. Have, is, are, no error. Second part is having an error and have is the correct option. We have been studying in this class for 3 years. The next most common question asked in the exams is rearrange the sentences. That means we are given jumbled up sentences and we have to rearrange the words to make them meaningful. Take your time to rearrange it and you can pause the video to check your answers later. Coronavirus has created a fear among the society is the correct answer. Next, you can see that it has been divided into parts and jumbled up. So we have to give it some time to recreate or rearrange it. The correct answer is, some say that WHO announced it too late as a pandemic. The next question is, you can see that the options or the words have been jumbled up and broken into parts. Take your time, think and rearrange it so that you get meaningful sentence. The answer is scientists are on the way to make a vaccine soon. The next question, again jumbled up for you in different parts. Take your time to rearrange to make a meaningful sentence. Pause the video, come up again and check the answer. Many nations are in the stage of human trial. Next is again jumbled up parts. Take your time, rearrange and check. The answer is India is also at a war footing for a vaccine. Again jumbled up and you have to rearrange to make a meaningful sentence. I will suggest is count the number of words and take your time to rearrange them meaningfully because there might be repetition of some of the words. This is the answer. Social distancing, wearing mask and washing hands is the key. Let me read out the answers again. Coronavirus has created a fear among the society. Some say that WHO announced it too late as a pandemic. Scientists are on the way to make a vaccine soon. Many nations are in the stage of human trial. India is also at a war footing for a vaccine. Social distancing, wearing mask and washing hands is the key. The next is gap filling. Right from the secondary classes up till postgraduate entrance exams, this is a very commonly asked question where we have to make meaningful sentences by filling the blanks using the correct option. The only tip I will give is read the sentence carefully twice or thrice along with the options. Now you have to manage your time when you are sitting in an exam. So be a fast reader. I dash him for the past month. That means the action is already over. Present perfect is the correct choice. I haven't seen him for the past month. Next, professionals dash as doctors and nurses are important. The options are like, with, such. We are giving an example of professionals. Like and as will not come together. With is to relate. That is again an incorrect option. Such and as go together. Professionals such as doctors and nurses are important. Next, something dash be done about it. The options are ought to, mustn't, really. Now read the sentence carefully. Something dash be done about it. That means we have to take an action and it is our duty to take an action. So mustn't, that is a negative option, is incorrect. Something really be done about it. That means we can do it or we can't or we should not. But when there is a sense of duty, we use the modal ought to. Something ought to be done about it is the correct answer. Next, for opening a bank account, you dash some documents. The options are should, need, require. Should is not making any sense. Need is where you need, that is just a need. No. The correct is option is require. Why? Because it is in the rules that we require documents to open a bank account. For opening a bank account, you require documents. You cannot open a bank account without documents. So instead of need, require is the better option. The next is the rider hurriedly dashed the bridge. The options are cross, crossed, crossing. The rider hurriedly dashed the bridge. Now, if I use simple present, I need an es, not given in the options. Crossing, again I need is, not given in the options. So crossed is the correct option. The rider hurriedly crossed the bridge. You will feel that the answer is well evident when you have practiced enough. When you are a good reader, you know a number of sentences along with the rules. Then only you can make meaningful sentences quickly. The next is, my senior manager checked the drafts dash. The options are completely, politely, thoroughly. Thoroughly is telling us that the person in the senior position is going to check the documents, so we should be prepared. Thoroughly is the correct option.